InnoView Portable. Monitor 15.6. 1080p Portable. Monitor for laptop with protective sleeve built-in 90. Adjustable stand USB-C HDMI Ultra Slim. Portable laptop monitor for MacBook. Phone PS Xbox Switch. Brand InnoView. Screen size 15.6 inches. Resolution FHD 1080p. Aspect ratio 16:9. Screen surface description matte. IPS portable screen InnoView laptop. Screen extender play an important role in many scenarios. For example, a large screen improves the gaming experience. Expanding the work area improves productivity. Remote work during travel or outdoor. Demonstration in meetings, exhibitions, or sales. etc. Suitable for connecting HP laptop, Lenovo laptop, Dell laptop, Asus laptop, MacBook, iPhone, game console, tablet, PS, Xbox, etc. Exclusive sleeve and integrated stand. InnoView Travel Monitor for Laptop Plus. Exclusive bag is a perfect combination. Effectively reduce screen wear and enhance protection. It is lightweight and portable and will never be a burden on your daily commute. Laptop monitor extender built-in stand. The suitable viewing angle can be adjusted within 90. Wide connection portable display provides to full function Type-C ports and one standard HDMI port, better compatibility and durability than mini HDMI. Only one Type-C cable is needed to connect the external monitor and computer. Supporting power pass-through reverse charging. Note, your device should support Thunderbolt 3.0 for 0.0 or USB 3.1 Type-C DP out mode. Optimize the user experience by upgrading the 4-button. Quick access to various function settings, making it easier to navigate OSD menu. Portable screen for laptop. 1080p portable laptop monitor is made of reliable IPS-A plus screen. Contrast ratio upgraded to 1000 to 100 to 1 with HDR and low blue light technology. It brings you more vivid images. Ultra thin and lightweight, with a size of 13.9 x 8.7 by 0.25 inches and weighing only 1.5 pounds. It can be easily put into a backpack and used anywhere. Worry-free purchase since the output power of each device is different. The screen may flicker or restart. You can power the 1080p monitor to solve it. Provide a 30-day return policy and 18-month warranty, excluding external force damage. If you have any concerns, please let us know displayed on the back of the monitor.